Hi, I'm Martin Pick, director of the Ultramarines movie. From the script that Dan Abnett wrote, there was always a strong sense of a build-up in the transformation from Severus into the Daemon at the end of the picture. These are initial sketches for the Daemon that were done with Games Workshop artists to make sure that we got a sense of transition from Severus into this incarnation of evil. I think in the end of the process we had about 3 stages, clear stages of Daemon. These are the stages of transformation. We tried to break it down to 2 or 3 clear stages, so he'd go off screen and then come back on again, and each time you'd realise he's getting closer and closer to the final Daemon. The most important thing was to lead the audience from Severus as a character that we've seen throughout the film into the Daemon without breaking the link.
We couldn't have done it without you. We couldn't have done it without you.